Hello YouTubers, this is Jack of all trade. Right now I got this package already and I've been waiting for a while, so I ordered motor for a washer. It was AMANA, and I just get that washer like maybe like a year ago, and then it was really bad already with the the drainer, the pump drainer. It's not even working anymore, and it's only a year. It was bad already. I don't know what happened, and this is the drain pump for that, and it's not even doing anything anymore. So I take this one off on that brand new washer, and I tested this thing. I put some wires in here and put wire here, and just to make it, I want to see this one if it's kicking, but it doesn't work anything. So now this is bad. This supposed to be when you try this thing, this thing will rotate, but it doesn't rotate. It just only it's just only it's not even rotating. Now I'm just gonna try this one. I'm just gonna show you this is the old one. Okay, so right now I'm going to I improvise one of these wires right here, and I just make this one to test this motor, and I improvise that, and right there. So right now I'm going to plug it in the outlet, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen. You see that? You just hear that it's not even turning. So you have a bad motors in here. You see that thing? Doesn't do anything. That's supposed to be turning, So that's why the washer, it doesn't do anything. It was when it was finishing to agitate or wash the clothes, and after that I've been waiting if it's gonna drain, but it doesn't do anything. So now when I check this one and I hear the washer, it's just only a sound that I hear from that washer, and it is a brand new washer. It's only like a year, So now I order one of these, so I just gonna try that one. This one here is a brand new one. I bought it online on eBay, so it's only like around 30, I believe $37 or something. So I'm going to open this thing up, and I want to show it to you. And I'm just gonna remove this cable right here, right there. Okay, this is the original coming from there. Okay, all right, this all the numbers right here. When you have AMANA, Whirlpool, or my tag, you need always to check the the code, the part number, stuff like that. Now I'm going to open this one, and show that thing here. All right, open this thing up. Okay. And yeah, this is the one that I ordered. Okay, just put it, over this thing up. Alright. Right there. It's fully sealed. There's too much bubble wrap right here. Okay, that's gonna be a little bit harder to open it, so just do the scissor right there. Okay. Alright, so this is the one. See? Okay, you always remember when you order, they're not all the same. Okay, not all the same when you buy them, but you make it sure that they are all the same. The number right here, you see that I order here, you see that number right there is a B25 3A04, and it's the same thing right here, B25 3A04. And this one is different. They just give me this one because the other one I just left on the machine. I just only take it off the the three screw right here. So that's why it just came out like just like this. So I don't need to use this. I just gonna use the one over there. So you're just gonna open this thing up. You just pop the cover right here, and this is the cover so that you can test the power of that. You open this thing up. Okay, there you go. Open that one up. Okay, just a little bit. Oh, there you go. You see that? Now, to make it sure thing is running, I'm going to do is to put this thing. This is my improvised wire right here, and I just want to put that thing there and put this thing here. Anyway, there's no polarity on on this thing because this is our 110, so it's direct. It's a direct current. So right now, put it in. I'm gonna switch the thing in. See, that is turning. That's agitating right there. I can hear that. You see? I don't know if you can see it inside. It's right there. It's turning. See that stop? If you see that right there, I'm sorry if you right there. So that one is turning. So I'm gonna put this one back tomorrow on that washer. I mean on that on the washer. See? Okay, make it sure. There you go, and you can hear it. So now that's it. I get this. I put this one back on that new washer that I just ordered it last year. And I don't know what happened. Maybe it's overuse. That's what happened. And this, it's bad. It's not rotating this thing. I already put some oil on it just to make it work. But the problem is, I think there's a magnet on here in between. This is just like where's the rotors of on the and the magneto of the to like alternator stuff like that. That's the same thing as working like this one. So right now I'm gonna put this one tomorrow. I just gonna make it sure it's gonna work, and and it drains up the water. So all right, and I will show it to you tomorrow. Okay, because it's a little bit late now to put it back on. It's already 11 o'clock. So, and it's one of the renters, so I need to put it in their washer. Okay. Okay, this is the new AMANA washer right here. Yeah, this is brand new. This is only like a year, and then it's already broken this drain pump over here. So I just bought a new one. This is one already. See, right there, and this is where you're gonna put them. Right here. Okay, this is already included here. That one. So I need to take it off the old one right there, because this one I just gonna take it off right there. So I'm just gonna remove that. There's a screw. Okay, just gonna remove that there. Nothing to remove. You have three screws over there. Okay. All right. Let's get three screws. Here, you see this one. This is brand new. You can even tell that right there. This is only a year, so I know I'm going to remove that and put it back, everything in. This is the new one, and this is the wire that you're gonna put it in here, and then put it everything out, and then we'll try to work it out that. So here, see, that's right there. So I'm gonna take it off this thing here. You need only the pliers to take it off and put this one back in here. That's up there. Okay, that's what it looks like. Put it there.